Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the explosion effect to your text in a video by using the CapCut stock video. So here you just need to write your text first. You can change the style and the font to your liking, and after that just click on export. And after you export this, you can just open it in a new project like this. Okay, so I've already saved the one before, and after that you can just go to overlay and then go to the stock videos. Here click on the atmosphere category, scroll down and find the explosive video. For example, this one, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the video, then click on add, adjust the size, and then go to blend. Here choose the darken option, and let's see the result. So that's the explosion effect on the text, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.